Hello guys, welcome back to Programming with Rana Waqas. In our last video, we have seen about the for loops in Kotlin. So in today's session, we will see that how while loop and do while loop works in Kotlin. So basically, loop is used in programming to repeat a specific block of code until certain condition is met. So we have a test expression which can be false or true. So when the test expression is basically true, so the loop will run, and when the test expression is false, the loop will uh, be terminate. So loop are what makes computers interesting machines. Imagine you are going to print a statement. Suppose here this is a statement, and you want to uh, print it for like 50 times without using loop. So you can copy paste this statement 50 times. So how about you need to print a sentence 1 million times? So for that you need to use loops. So you will learn about two loops, while and do while loop, in this video, and with the help of examples. So if you are familiar with the while and do while loops in Java, so you are already familiar with these loops in Kotlin as well. So the syntax for while loop is while, and here should be a test expression, and this is the code inside the while loop body. So this is the test expression which I was talking about. So how while loop works. So the test expression inside the parenthesis is a boolean expression, and if this boolean expression is true, so the statement inside while loop are executed, then the test expression is evaluated again, and the process goes on until the test expression is evaluated to false. So if the test expression is evaluated to false, while loop will be terminated. So let's have an example. So write a program to print a line for 5 times. So let's suppose we have a variable I, and its value is 1. So while this I is less than equal to 5, so this is a boolean expression. So first of all, it is true. So print line, and here we will use line and $I. So if I run this code, so I is 1, so this loop will be run and print the value of I 1, and then again this expression will be re-evaluated, and it will become true, and this loop is an infinite loop. So I need to increment this I before re-evaluating the test expression, and let's run it. So here you can see the output line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So similarly, if let's take another example. So write a program to compute the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. So we can add 1 to 100, and also from 100 to 1 the answer will be same. So for that you will make a variable of sum, and will initialize it from 0, and the iterative variable, that is I, that is starting from 100, and we are writing here while, and the test expression is I not equal to 0, and we will add this I into the sum variable, and we will decrement this I. So we will use I minus minus. This is a post decrement operator, and if you use minus minus I, that is a pre-increment operator. So it doesn't matter you are using here pre-increment or post pre-decrement or post decrement. So let's print this line that sum equals to $sum. Let's run this code. So why it is giving us error? Because I is re-declared here. So now it will not give us any error. Let's run it. So when your program will be run, you will get the output of 50-50. So how this loop is working? So first of all, sum is 0, so sum plus 100 will become 100. So I will become 99, then 99 will be added in the 100, then it will become 199, and I will become 98, then 98 will be added into 199. So there is another type of loop. Let me comment this one, and that is a do while loop. So the do while loop is very similar to while loop with one key difference. The body of do while loop is executed once before the test expression is checked. So here in while loop, you can see the test expression is first evaluated, and then the body of this while loop will be executed if the test expression is true. So in do while loop, the one difference is the statements inside the loop will be executed once without checking any condition. After that, the test expression will be checked before the next iterations. So the syntax of do while loop is you will write do and then these brackets and then while, and here you will write test expression, and this will be the body of the do while loop. So let's do an example. Let's write a program which will take numbers from user, and it will add these numbers until user will enter 0. So let's create here a variable of sum that will be of integer type, and the initial value is 0 inside it. So there is another variable that is a user input, and that will be of string type, and we will take value from user by using read line, and here we will write our text expression. So first of all, we will print a statement, enter the integer, and here we will write input equals to read line. So read line basically will give you the string, so you need to add this into the sum variable, so you need to convert it into integer. So for that you will write here to int method, so it will change it into integer. So here we will write that if input is not equal to not equal to 0, so it will rerun again. So here we will print the statement print ln, and here will be sum equals to dollar sum. So run it again. So here you can see the integer. First of all, this is 1 2 3 4 and 5, and we press 0, so the total sum is 15. So this program is running fine. So guys, if you understand about the for loop, while loop and do while loop, so let's make a program. I am assigning you a simple challenge that take a command in a form of a string from user. So you have to take the commands from user until user enter quit. So if you will successfully do this program, so paste your code in my comment section. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon if you need to get notification of my future videos. Take care. See you in the next video.